what I want to talk about is my interview with the local NBC5 News. And they called me up yesterday and they said, hey, we would love to feature your business in their This Is Our Home video that they do for the news. And so they're going to be doing Barre Town, and once the video is done, they have finished it, I will link it in the description box below. But I just wanted to tell you that it's very exciting. I'm a little bit nervous. This is the first time I've ever done like a TV interview type thing. So I've only had my shop for about 2 years, but it really does help if you're thinking about starting a small business or even renovating your home into a small business, that people can come in, and it really does help out the community because it's another business that they can go and shop at. And that's what's really nice about having your own business, your own small business. I'm a one-woman show, so I do everything here. I make all the products, I do all the labeling, I do all the marketing, I do everything. So it is quite a bit. So for those of you who have actually done something like this, my hat is off to you, and I encourage you to keep going and keep doing this. I'm over 50 and I have been in business for quite a few years, for over 2016, but the shop has been open officially for 2 years, and it really has helped to grow my business. Because a lot of people that shop locally, they still want to come in and they actually want to touch the product. You know, they can't open it because it is all sealed and stuff like that, but you can have samples and things like that. And that's the similar thing to doing like trade shows or craft shows or farmers market, is you're able to actually get the customer in and ask their questions. Well, how is this made? What ingredients do you use? Is it all natural? Do you use, dyes or lakes or something like that? And, how could you help me with dry skin care or oily skin or whatever your products that you're making? So I guess what I really want to say is that it's really exciting, and I just am so, I guess I'm still on the cloud here, I guess. It's kind of strange to say, but I never thought that I would be doing an interview with the local news here in my town. So they just called me up yesterday, like I said, and they said, hey, we want to come down and we want to do a short interview with you, and are you open to doing that? And I said, yes, I would love that. So what I'll do, like I said, is I will link the video once they're done down in the description box below if you are interested in seeing that. And I hope you are, because it does show a little bit more of my town, of where I am. But because there's another lavender business, but they're located way up north, and the two of our business models are very different, where I'm a maker and they're a grower of lavender. So I do grow my lavender, but I use it in my skincare products, and I do sell it in bundles and sachets and things like that. So I do incorporate it in my business, my soaps and bath salts and things like that. So I do that part of it, but I don't have like fresh lavender and stuff. So they have a different business model, and it's hard because a lot of people actually get confused between the two businesses because their names are a little bit similar. But I'm not changing my name. It is Vermont Lavender, and it's going to be that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing to my channel, because I do offer a lot of small business tips, not only on making, shower steamers and other bath and skincare products, but I do offer small business tips on growing your business, because it is quite an accomplishment to actually have your own retail shop, or if you were to convert your home into a place where people could actually come in, like an area. And there's people that are, there's a hairdresser that I know that has done that. She has her home and there's a downstairs area in her home where allows her customers to come in. So as long as you have it separated, and it's a great way to actually operate a small business, because you're not having to actually pay the rent, and you own the business, like your home, or like, you know, this upstairs, we're going to be renting the upstairs. So this is a really different business model, but you could also do it out of your home. Like you could have like your garage or even a she shed. You could have a she shed where people come, as long as you have parking. Like I don't have a lot of parking, but it does work. You know, people really do like it. So hopefully you have found this video helpful. I know I'm rambling a little bit, but sometimes that's just how it is. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Think about subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Enjoy the rest of the week. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.